The price tracker for AliExpress allows you to view the price history of products on AliExpress for the past 3 or 6 months, providing you with insights into the highest and lowest prices of products. The main features include price history. You can view the product's price history on AliExpress for the past 3 or 6 months both in the toolbar and on the product detail page. You can set price drop alerts. By clicking the Track Price button, you can add the product to your favorites, and you'll receive notifications when the price drops. The tracking period can extend up to 1 year. Add products to favorites. Click the extension icon and then click My Favorites to see all the products you saved. If there are new price increases or decreases for products, they will be prioritized. Automatic Coupon and Promo Code Finder. Click the ticket clip pattern on the right side of the checkout page, and the extension will automatically search for available coupons and promo codes, calculating the best discount option. Search for similar products. Click the extension icon in the upper right corner, About the Product. Click the Search by Image button to find the same item and support the same item image search platform. AliExpress, Shopee, eBay, Taobao, and 1688. You can also click on the secondary menu of the toolbar in the lower left corner Search Image on AliPrice. Or move the mouse to the picture and click the right button of the mouse to search image on AliPrice. Seller Analysis. Click the extension icon in the upper right corner, then About the Product to see the following data: product listing duration, positive and negative reviews, product description match, customer service level, shipping speed, and sales performance. Product review images. Click the extension icon in the upper right corner, then About the Product review to view authentic images from customer reviews. Download images and image translation. Open the product detail page and click the Download Image button in the secondary menu on the lower left corner. You can download the product main image, product video, and product detail description image. You can also export image links. If you need to translate text within product images to another language, select the image and click Image Translate for translation and editing. Download review image. On AliExpress and Amazon.com product review pages, click the Download Review Image button to save review images or export them to an Excel file. AliExpress Review Analysis. Scroll down to the product description and click Reviews Analysis to view the product sales percentage by country, region, and select data from different time periods. Copy links. You can copy links from the toolbar. View browsing history. Click the extension icon in the upper right corner, then View to see the products you've previously viewed.